A mom and her son came in to fix his iPad 9th generation. They think the screen was broken. Usually fixing this screen will cost $100, but when I looked closer, the actual screen was completely fine. To make sure, I had to take the iPad out of the case. When I took the iPad out of the case to check it more closely, I could see how nervous the boy was. But once I removed the cracked screen protector and saw the actual screen was perfectly fine, his face lit up with happiness. His mom also danced to cheer him up. They said I made their day. Honestly, they made mine. I wasn't going to charge them for the new screen protector. They insisted on tipping $20, so I accepted it with gratitude. Seeing that smile on the boy's face is priceless.
Alright, enjoy your new iPad, okay? Okay, thank you.